So seems like my Miele dishwasher is having an issue with a fault. So if I select a program, let's make the quick power wash, and I click on, everything appears to be okay. But a few seconds after, look, I've got fault 24. And this fault is a heater relay issue. So the hot water is not coming into the system, so there's a problem with it. So I did some digging, and I will show you how, without too much work, you can fix this very common problem I learned with my Miele, which is a fantastic device. I've got this since 2016, and it's the first time I get a problem, and believe me, it's the happiness of the family. So I managed to turn around the dishwasher with a lot of care. Be very careful. They're not heavy, but they are delicate. And those hoses, Miele gives plenty of space. Just be very careful how, I don't know, if you install it, if you remember, you need to be careful when you pull in them, because these hoses can be replaced, but they're expensive. So what I'm going to do next, you have no idea how disgusting this was, but I'm going to remove this one, that one. What I contact Miele, and they said to me, yeah, we can fix this for a fixed rate of £275, and that includes the all the costs. The first thing I noticed was that the unit that I was going to remove was out of the way, this unit, and that is, I believe, part of the problem. But let's find out in a second. But that was. So this is the relay that I've taken out. Is seems to be in good condition, actually. I don't see if there's any issues, but I will open them and see if I can clean them with this electronic contact cleaner, and see if the contacts who are likely to be stuck or burned can be improved, and this might save me quite a lot of money. Good, bear with me. So something that I uncovered or learned is that this bulb has to be removed as part of this process, because it's likely that you might get an error here. So you can see exactly where this goes. This is very easy to install. I hope you can see this. This has to be freed. So it's important that you always remove this one as you're doing this exercise. And it's very easy to put it back, as you will see in a second. So you just put it like this, and that's it. And to remove it is very simple, but that's it. So I ordered this piece from Miele, F24, 81 pounds. Took a day to arrive, which is good. This come in this electrostatic sensitive bag, and now I install it in the device, and now it's time to check if my solution work, or if I will have to bring a technician, which I want to avoid because we're talking about 270 pounds, and I hope this 80 quid fix the problem. So let's see if this will do the job. Pressing start. So if in the next 10 seconds I get a message, means that my solution didn't work. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, looks okay. I just want to hear other noises feeding the water. Looks like he's doing it. So fingers crossed everything will be okay and the cycle will continue. I'm just waiting for a faulty code. Looks okay, looks okay.